Hi everyone, it's Deb here. I know there are a few people in this group that do not, there's a lot of people in this group actually that do not use the GEM software. And I understand also that there's a lot of white labeled softwares out there that you can choose from. Lots of different companies and agencies and things are creating, their own white label version of the software. So basically this software is all in one. So it does everything you need it to do, from invoicing and proposals and documents and contracts to be signed online, to building your websites and funnels and your courses and your memberships and your blog, it's got a social media scheduler. It has AI that will respond to text messages, will answer comments on Facebook posts, will answer Facebook messages for you, will also run a live chat on your website so people can ask questions at any time, and the AI will be trained to know everything about your business and answer that. Also has lots of tiny little features in here that will change your business as far as like review requests. We personally, with our GEM software, have created a system whereby if you send out a Google review request, if they leave 3 stars or less, meaning a negative review, it won't go to Google. It will come to you in the form of a form. If they leave 4 or 5 stars, it'll go to Google. And then we have the feature where your Google reviews show up on your website in real time as people are leaving them. We also have missed call text back, which means that if somebody texts your business number and you're busy in a treatment or a session, or you're just not answering the phone that day, this system will text them back immediately, asking them if can we help them. If they respond in text, the AI will kick into gear, and that AI can be trained to answer all questions on your business, book people in for appointments, and basically operate like a receptionist for you. So these are lots of features. Some of them are native only to us, and some of them are native to the software. We have now additional features which I'm just going to show you, because some of you may be in things like Shopify and things like that and finding it very expensive and finding it kind of difficult to manage. We have a full e-commerce system in here. More than that, what we have done ourselves, developers, have created a drop shipping portal. So this connects to a drop shipping site, and rather than manually running your drop shipping, all the products will show up here for you. So you just give it the login of your drop shipping portal and submit. Excuse me, I'm tired. And when you go to product, it's going to load the products from the dropshipping company. Now, we're connected to Dropship Zone, an Australian dropshipping company. So rather than you manually having to put all of these in as products into your shop, our developers created a system where it will happen automatically for you. So you can choose whether you're going to have free shipping from Dropship Zone or paid. I just always go with free because it makes my life easier. And this account that I'm in right now is a pet account. You can scroll through all the categories if you want, or you can just put a keyword in, and it will pop up. So this has pulled up all the pet products that are free shipping. So if I wanted to select one or even the whole page, I would just tick it, click push to CRM, and you'll see here's the product, here's the prices, submit that. And what it's going to do is it's automatically, as you can see, going to create it as a product in my system. So if I go to my products, I'll see here that I've got the automatic pet feeder here. This is now, you can edit the product if you want, or let me just show you, or do the SEO, but it's brought through the whole description, all the images. You will pop it into whatever category you want. This can go in a couple of categories. And then it brings through all the pricing, and you just do the SEO and hit save. So then when you go to your website, and this website's not operational, it's just a testing one that we're using. When you go to your website, the Pet Pamper Shop here, you can have the categories on here of the shop and you can visit the categories, or you can view the product list in the shop. And you'll see here that we've got the automatic pet feeder. Sorry, it's loading slow because I'm recording and the internet's pretty rubbish. So let's just click on that product. So you can come here, you can see the product. You will see all the images here. You can go through and add the product to cart. You can go to view cart and people can now purchase the product from you. So they'll pay you the $267 and then you will pay drop shipping 100 and something, whatever it was, and keep the difference. So we have created the simplest system possible. So if you are someone that wants to do anything along the lines of absolutely anything, the categories are vast in here. And you can get products. I'll just show you a few if I open up the categories. Let that load because my system's very slow. So what you would just scroll through all the categories like air conditioners and aroma diffusers and microwave ovens, and goes right through furniture, clothing, toys, camping, four-wheel driving equipment, pet products. Don't know what else. There's just millions and millions of things that you could build a business or around. In fact, the company that we connect to is called Dropship Zone. So you can have a look at their categories here. And if there's something that you think, you know what, I might like to build a business around that, you can get an account. It doesn't cost you anything to have a Dropship Zone account. Then we can build the e-commerce store and website and have all those additional features there. And you can run your business as a e-commerce store way simpler and way cheaper than doing it through Shopify. So, sorry, phone just rang. So you can just come into categories here. You can see all the categories: babies and kids, commercials, electronics, fashion, food and beverage. Goes right through. So anyway, I thought I would give you all a heads up because we are creating a lot of things in our system. Sorry, let me just find where we were. In our system that are not available in other systems. You can see we've also got the AI ads creator here, leads, drop shipping portal. So we have a lot of extra features that other white label versions of this software don't have.